What's up, people? Tinakta, ibiangam. I play bro, Fisia. Mentah kasi mun ban let vlog, pang para jong Zethan ubajutam unlet tam yaki rich. Kun SWET leseng alawan yo kenyat nang ni nang tu hang te nget ba ni ko vlog kan ai ini berit tang mengin so tanak mengi tang alawan ong in siapa pat ke kepada nang ni skwat kata halo ai ka khuton litam kenari cerwa biang ya mong lingo thấp cái này ai cho cái này đi
Yo.
Biarkan. Ini. Rich jam. Ini rich. Ta dan bok ni yo footage ni yo ni krem itu kena play. Ini KMEN jing ba ka jing rai ka jing tam jong ni para jong au DJ Zethan. Ta kata see you later. Oi. Ketolok. JCB ni ketolok anak keterok dia ke JCB lu ni ulah abet dia beli. Kesaban tem ni kau map jingrai jong ni kalau ngomong. Frank lah Shah Uzet. Dia ini hak ya boat hi dai. Akale tele kun saurang area ni kena. Ni kena tam seneng ni. Keren guy, he's a nice guy. I love him. Ang ba ting thaji. Normal life bet jai. Jenjar bandring bhai ka video namar bang 4 don utrai pot stand. So bhai siapa ngamo? Lapoi kini kejakang ada jangan look
Set sampai. Aja. Kau berangwan kini. Kau ayah ni kau, amnu kedua lagi ya. DJ Zethan. Tanya macam Zethan. Terus kita. Dan jorok api karena kayaknya.
Action song mungkin.
rock lain kajing macam kalau bangin ai kajing main Gibril bagi yo ru ya lade kajing main paro kita KHUN SWET ni di pastor ben ide ibape ya kadich ide Gibril bela run ya kan ya ke reach aslam ba baga family jongi te problem nang kerku ya nang ai kajing kerku babon te lese kendiat ngan yo ban interview with staff ada yo kalat support baik ke ka cuba bagi dan ban ong limba the message spreading love and happiness team ke jonga kalong spreading love and happiness lada don nem don tang balayo ban penkimen ni Gibril kelab yang ke to insight
This goes out to all the Bollywood stars out here. Okay, sampai ni kapur dan depan Pak Zethan ai dengan gift Shakti Chak Cilamaji kita satu malam dan depan okay. In County Commonwealth Center, it's Suhabar Worship.
Happiness nam
Yeah.
biang Frank biang happiness KHUN bam shwa đây ni comment đây yo pen comment ni QA đây kelung red đây play KHUN SWET itu aku teh male teh God bless them. So yeah, we have come to the end of my vlog. It was a happy day. We made those kids happy. I'm happy. My brother is happy. Though it's not with money, we don't have anything. We didn't go with the mindset of getting money and all, but we didn't pay. We didn't give them money, but what we gave them is, just pure joy, pure that whatever comes from the heart we gave them, and I'd say mission accomplished today, and I'm really happy, and I'm having such a good vibe right now that I felt like it's God who took me there. Otherwise I thought of vlogging another thing, but then through my brother, he was like, oh, I'm playing in the Reach Ministry, so I went, and God's blessings, and thank you to the Reach Ministry for welcoming us We had a great time. God bless all those kids. Happy Street Kid in International Street Kids Day, and I hope they become a better person, each and every one of them. And that's all. We didn't give them anything, like we didn't buy anything, but something which we can give is more than enough. And we spread love and happiness today, and I'm really happy. I hope you guys are happy with the video. I want to make glad but subscribe, share, but like, subscribe. Come on guys, I need to hit somewhere lada fidang ni kwa 1 videos na nga penisya ba fikwa daga ba subscribe ya ka channel jonga te please do it. And one more thing, I would like to say that don't be in a hurry with anything. People works with those people, like yeah, and I interviewed the staff, but the audio wasn't good, so we had to cancel because I don't have anything. I can't afford right now to buy all the equipment, so what I can do, I had to just finish it. So what I'm saying is, those people what I was interviewing them, they said they had to struggle with the kids, but they love their job, and they do it with the full heart. So anything which you do from your heart, this is success for me. This is a pure success. Like, I'm happy. I like doing my job. This is my job, what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys what I do. This is my job. I like it. I'm happy. So it's a success. But if you do something which you're not happy, which you have to slog every day, and you don't like it, then I tell you, please figure it out. It's not too late to figure it out what you love in this world to do, because there's so many opportunities, there's so many ways. Create them, create your own path, and God bless you all. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much once again. God bless you all, and have a good night.